Hello everybody, welcome to the magical world of art and craft. So today I'm going to show you all how to make a pop-up lava. Things you'll need is scissor, paper, pencil. For coloring you all can use marker, pencil, crayons, and you all would also need a cup of water. So let's get started. First of all, draw a flower. Then you need to color it and cut it out. It should look like this. Now you need to fold the petals. It should look like this. Now take your cup of water. Now take the flower and keep it inside the cup. Now it will slowly pop up. As you can see, the flower petals are getting up. There's not enough space. You all should take a bigger cup for this. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. And yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.